this short video, we're going to take a look at an introduction to licensing Power Virtual Agents, one of the Power Platform components. My name is Vicky Lee, an independent Microsoft licensing expert, and I'll be taking you through this session today. So what is a Power Virtual Agent? Well, a Power Virtual Agent is also known as a bot or a chatbot, and looks like the example shown on the right here. Now, there are a variety of reasons why you may want to create a Power Agent. We can see some of the examples here, such as lowering customer support costs by creating a chatbot that will handle both simple and repetitive requests. Or maybe you want to give employees access to information via a chatbot rather than having them to rely on people who might not be available when needed. Or you want to improve user satisfaction by creating chatbots to shorten the time to get a response. There are two ways that you can choose to work with bots, via the Teams app or via a web app. And there are some typical differences between the two. The Teams app bot is typically created by members of a team, whereas a web app bot is typically created by IT staff. The Teams bot is designed to answer common questions posed by teammates, and the web bot is likely to answer customer questions. One of the powerful reasons for using Power Virtual Agents is that anyone can get started creating a bot, and a Teams bot is likely to be a no-code or a low-code bot. Now, the same thing could be said of the web app bot, but the power of a Power Virtual Agent is that a no-code or a low-code bot can be taken by a developer and extended by adding custom code or utilizing more complex capabilities. And as far as deployment goes, the Teams bot is deployed and used in Teams, and the web app bot can be deployed to any channel. From a licensing perspective, creating a Teams bot is covered by most Office 365 or Microsoft 365 licenses, whereas the web app bot is licensed separately. So let's get some detail, starting with the Teams bot. And there are a range of licenses that include the rights to Teams bots, and you can see them listed here. Now, there are some licenses where you don't get these rights, and these do include Microsoft 365 F1, Office 365 A1, and any corresponding student use benefit licenses. So we can see that the Teams bot rights are included in certain licenses, but it is also possible to upgrade that license if you find you need access to the full rights of the standalone Power Virtual Agents. Let's look now at the standalone Virtual Agents license. And here you would need to start with the Power Virtual Agents base offer, which is a monthly tenant-based license and gives access to 2,000 chat sessions. Then, separate Power Virtual Agents per user licenses are required for all users who will create and manage bots. And these licenses don't cost anything, but are assigned to users in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Now, as I mentioned, you get 2,000 chat sessions. So let's take a look at the definition of a chat session. And you can see here that it's an interaction between a user and a bot, which ends when either the question is answered or the conversation exceeds 60 minutes or 100 turns. And if the included chat sessions aren't enough, then an organization can purchase additional chat sessions via the Chat Session for Virtual Agents add-on license, which gives another 1,000 chat sessions per month. And note that sessions are not carried over between months, and organizations should always license for peak capacity. Let's go through the licensing with a scenario. So here we have a company who want to deploy bots to the web and to Facebook to help their customers. They purchase a Power Virtual Agents license, which is a tenant level license. They have two people who will create bots, and even though there is no additional cost to license these users, they do need to acquire Power Virtual Agents per user licenses and assign them to those users. Once the bots are created, they can be deployed, in this example, to the web and to Facebook, which they can do because they've purchased the standalone virtual agents license. Then the customers can chat with the bots, and we know that 2,000 chat sessions are included in that original license purchase. And should more chat sessions be required, then an add-on license can be purchased, which licenses for another 1,000 chat sessions each month. Let's wrap up with a final comparison between the two ways that organisations may consider deploying Power Virtual Agents, either via Teams or the web app. So where can you deploy the bots? Well, that's either just in Teams or in all supported channels. How many chat sessions do you get? Well, unlimited in Teams or 2,000, as we have previously seen. You can create flows via Power Automate in the context of the bot, and that's limited in the Teams bot, but not in the web app bot. And you can connect to data via standard connectors only in the Teams bot or without constraint in the web app bot. In terms of data storage and management, you can use Dataverse in Teams, or you could use the full Dataverse. And in terms of capacity, there is no Dataverse capacity included with the Teams bot, but there is with the standalone license. That concludes this short video. Thank you very much for watching. If you require any more information around Power Virtual Agents, please do contact TD SYNNEX.